Hi friends, it's Product Review Wednesday. See us on Sundays for personal videos about the retired life of Lynn and Jerry in Mexico or our RV life here in Arizona. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. Just came up from Mexico the day before yesterday. Got here to the ranch. Got my off-grid workshop opened up. Got the RV going fine. And you know how I always like to have a little dog content in my videos? This cute little guy just showed up today. He was stuck in the fence and barking, woke me up this morning. We put an ad on Facebook to see if he's belonging to anybody in the neighborhood. Anyway, got my dog content. Product Review Wednesday, I got a pile of projects. And I have a pile of things to review. Go into my workshop and see what we're going to start with today. Got my workshop all opened up and haven't gotten the tricycle out yet, or the bicycle. And there's another bicycle to take a look at, still in the box, sitting out there in the yard. Another electric bike from King Bull, the Rover 2. So watch for that video. My AFRI power supplies, that one, 6 months, it's just been sitting here. Solar panels on the outside. AFRI power supplies, I'm getting to be a really big fan. 100% when I walked in here yesterday. There's a pile of things to review. We're going to start with that orange box today. So I was looking at a YouTube video the other day about how to do a good product review. And one of the things it said was always pick something that your audience would be interested in. Sorry, I don't do it that way. I pick things that I'm interested in. And these are abrasive discs. Let's open up the box and see what we got. I'm interested in these because they are accessories for a rotary tool that I have. They are abrasive discs and assorted other things that go with that. There are 270 things in this box from the Tshya company. Tshya, Tshya. Dedicated to providing customers with 100% satisfactory products. Thank you for choosing us. Okay, well, I'm going to take these all out, sort them so that we can see what we got, and we'll talk about them some more. Wow, 270 different parts. Of course, you know, a lot of them are just individual sanding discs. These are all Velcro discs. I have the rotary tool there. I actually have another one. It's just an inexpensive one from Harbor Freight. And I sometimes use it if I'm doing a little jewelry or something. This one is a very good one, but it didn't come with all the accessories like this. 270 different discs, and they're for grinding, blending, finishing, polishing, everything from 36 grit to 3000 grit, as it says on this paper. And whatever you need. There are 3 different kinds of mandrels or attachments for the sanding discs. There's this one here. There are 2 of these. And this one, of course, will go in the rotary tool. This one would fit in my drill. That drill. This would fit on the mandrel like this. And then that one goes in the drill, or you put the smaller end to go in the rotary tool. Another attachment is this one, and this part comes separately, and then this screws onto there like that. And this is a 1/4 inch hex, so it would go into something like this. And of course it would also fit in the drill. 270 different discs from 36 grit to 3000 grit for polishing. Every little thing you could possibly think of. I'm going to install a couple of them into my tools, and we'll see how they work. I'm going to try the rotary tool. You can see that I've put a little X there on the plywood. See if we can grind it off. And smooth it out a bit. The X is gone, and ooh, like butter, smooth. That worked real good. This is a 400 grit disc. I have noticed something, that at first I thought I couldn't run this at high power because if you turn it on at 33,000 RPM, it's not balanced enough. But if you take it and put it down on the surface, it doesn't have the power to do 33,000 RPMs. And with the variance in pressure, you can make it work perfectly. Yeah, when I first figured out that's not really as balanced as it could be if it was hundreds of dollars instead of whatever it is. I'll put the price here in the video. It worked. So here I have a 60 grit paper in my drill, and that'll have plenty of power. Let's see how that works. I'm going to get a little more aggressive here. Oh, there, I rounded it. I hope you saw the sawdust fly. Did I say that already? It was flying. Hey, that worked even better. And if I wanted to smooth that out, I put the 400 back on a different tool. And we're just going to smooth that out. Nice. Let me show that to the camera. Rounded. Yeah. Hey, thanks for being with me today. If you need some sanding discs, as always, links below in the video description. Here's a screenshot from the Tshya Amazon page, and I wanted to show it to you because up there in the top right corner, it's kind of small, but I want you to notice that 1,326 people have given a positive review of 4.5 out of 5. It's not just me that likes these discs. Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up, and please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.